pandemic, we're going through COVID-19. We are locked down. Stress levels बढ़ रहे हैं. Invisible stress levels बढ़ रहे हैं. काफी stress दिख नहीं रहा अभी community में. क्या खाना चाहिए? What is the right diet to have? क्या करना चाहिए इस टाइम पे और क्या चीज खानी चाहिए which actually boosts up the entire immunity of our people?
Okay, to start with, it's not enough of diet. We should prepare during this COVID period, the lockdown period. We should have a schedule. The first thing the people during the lockdown period is off the schedule. Sleeping late night, getting up late. What it is creating a lot of stress is because of that sleep. We should follow a timetable. The timetable is not there. So the most important is to make a timetable for your lockdown period. That's very important. So once you make a timetable for your lockdown period, the things will are much better, the stress level will increase. And believe me, the immune system only gets boosted up if you get a proper sleep. So first you have to schedule yourself into a very good timetable. Now what does the timetable mean? It includes the proper diet, it includes the proper sleep, a proper exercise routine. So we start with the first diet. The diet should consist of 3 complete meals. First of all, we should not skip any meal. All 3, breakfast, lunch and dinner. All 3 meals are very important, but make it sure the largest consumption of the food should not be in the dinner. And the most important thing is the bulk consumption of food should be in the form of fruits, the vegetable and the whole grains. And the mid-meal snacking for the food should be there. It should be a healthy snacking, picking up makhanas and everything. Now, what the diet should complete? It should be complete carbohydrate. It should have a lot of proteins, a lot of vitamins and minerals, and very important thing, essential omega acid products to fight to boost the immune system of the body. So I would like to introduce, first of all, everybody, they just go on the Google, they just figure it out. We should do this diet, we should follow this, what should we follow? So they start following everything all together, which is the most wrong you could make. One should not follow whatever, everything is in Google. One should see what is there for you. Or should be complete of carbohydrate, proteins, and all vitamins and minerals should be in the diet. People just go on Google, they find any diet and they start doing. The diet should be planned according to your personal routine lifestyle, your medical history, your age factor. It all determines your diet. So the first request, never Google for diet, Everybody is different, every individual is different, so diet should be completely personalized. So first of all, the age factor is very important during the diet. The age factor and your medical history and your lifestyle is very important. A person sitting on a chair cannot eat too much of carbohydrates. A person who is working out can have carbohydrates. There's so many myths about desi ghee, about so many nuts to be had or not to be had. Milk should be there or should not be there in the diet. So it all completely personalized basically. So now I would just like to give you some introduction to the diet. What should be very, very important in the diet these days is the protein intake for the vegetarian people is very less in India. So I should make it clear that you should have a lot of proteins in the diet. Every meal, the breakfast, the lunch and dinner should contain some amount of protein. So it can be in the form of, there's so many people who eat eggs. They should make it sure that eggs and it should be lean meat should be in the diet. Not a mutton and everything should not be there in the diet, but lean meat should be there in the diet. So first for the immunity booster, I will like to give you a few tips. Everybody, whether a BP patient, whether a cholesterol patient can introduce garlic every day in the morning. 1 clove of garlic is a very good immunity booster. So 1 clove of garlic can be introduced with everybody and anybody with any age factor. Empty stomach in the body helps in reducing the cholesterol levels and boost up the immunity also. And starting a day with the fruit is very, very helpful. Now what happens, the body is all acidic. So first, to boost up your immunity system, you should make your body alkaline. And how you can make your body alkaline is, first half of the day, like till 12 o'clock, one should have a lot of fruits and vegetables in the raw form. But during the COVID period, the people are very scared to have all the vegetables and fruits in the raw form. But if you wash your fruits nicely with the water, soak them for 2 hours in the water, it is free of all the germs and bacteria. So you can consume all the raw fruits and vegetables, preferably in the first half of the day. So that makes your body quite alkaline till 12 o'clock if you have those consumption of these fruits. Now, then it comes to the breakfast. So having fruits is not enough, some people say. So oat is a good amount of breakfast you can have, but I always prefer to oats having in a whole form, not in the processed forms. You get packet of masala oats, there's kesar-free oats, there's strawberry oats. So I think so all the processed food should be avoided, and you should introduce all whole grain fruits like food like dalia, oats. They're very good. Besan chila, dal chilas. The sprouted products are very good. Sprouted lentils are very, very good. So try to use a lot of sprouted foods because that gives a good booster to your immunity system. All the legumes of the lentils have a lot of vitamin C and B12, which you really don't get it from the natural foods. So sprouted lentils is a very good source of immunity system because it has proteins, it has vitamin C, and it has a lot of B12. So make it sure to include sprouted lentils. So that's a good breakfast you can have. And for in between snacking, I say mid-afternoon snacking, you should have chana soups. That's a very good protein and it will not increase your weight. And it can be taken by anybody. Might be a cholesterol patient, might be a BP patient. Just make it sure the salt intake, the extra salt that we use, salt is as bad as sugar. So make it sure the salt intake should always be moderate for anybody and everybody. People consume a lot of salt in the form of processed food like chips and all. So one should avoid this extra salty products, which is not good for your immune system also. Now it comes to the lunch part. We follow it with the lunch. Every lunch should have at least one meal of protein, whether in the dal, whether kala chana, whether chickpeas, whether egg, whether a lean meat. And one should prefer to have a gluten-free. You know, people are asking for gluten-free. What does gluten-free help? Basically, people with a lack of indigestion, having a lot of gastric problems. So have a gluten-free diet, a plant-based gluten-free diet is very, very healthy. So I can give a few examples of a good gluten-free diet plus a good protein. So these days, amaranth and quinoa and amaranth, both are the grains which are very good in fiber, which are very rich in protein, and both are gluten-free. So it helps in boosting the immune system because it gives you a good gut health. And good gut health is again related with the good mental health also. So during the COVID period, people are struggling only not from sedentary problems of sitting at home and good mental problem also. I'm seeing a lot of people having a lot of anxiety because of the uncertainty of future also. So I think good gut health will give you good mental health also. So procuring a good gut health, we can introduce quinoa, we can introduce amaranth, which is also known as rajgiri, and a good gut health. One probiotic drink is very important. Now probiotic drink can be in the form of Yakult, it can be curd is a very good probiotic, and then kefir. Kefir is also very good probiotic for the gut. So gut health is very, very, very important to give you a good mental health also. So that, what can you include in the proteins as a vegetarian? Kala chana, chickpeas, rajma, all kind of lentils, soya products, homemade paneer, and it can be introduced. And then we come to the evening part. Evening is the time when everybody wants to snack, you know. Everybody says they feel really hungry between the 4 to 7. So at that time, you can have some immunity booster drinks, you know, having a cinnamon tea. Having a cinnamon is a very good immunity booster. You can have some tulsi, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, some add together in the water, boil it in the water, just have it lukewarm, sip by sip. Make it sure you have all the liquid sip by sip so that all the liquid is absorbed by the cells of the body so that the cells can function better. People have a jug of water together, which is not healthy. Water should be always have sip by sip and always in a sitting position. Now comes to the dinner part. Now the dinner is the thing. People don't eat dinner to fill up the stomach. Even after filling up the stomach, they want to binge on namkeens, biscuits, then anything chitta-pitta which they get in the household, they want to binge because that is the food that gives them the brain comfort. That is not the food to fill up the stomach. So that is what you call that mindless eating. A small piece of sweet always, gives you a feeling of satisfaction. Why? It is an energy booster, instant sugar. So make it sure all the sweets, all the things which you are favorite are full of sugar, loaded with sugar. First, try to use natural sugar foods. Like you can make all the foods with rather than using sugar, you should use jaggery. You should use desi khand, which is very, very old. Old age people used to use desi khand, which is again not in the form of not a refined sugar. Then you can use dates to sweeten your products. So you can use all these natural forms. Figs, dates are very good natural forms to keep your sugar cravings better. So make it sure the consumption in the dinner should be with a lot of vegetables, salads, and the portion size of the dinner should be less because as the day is passing, The body metabolism is slowing down, and what we tend to do, we eat the largest meal at the dinner time. So the body metabolism is at the lowest, and eating the highest calorie food at the body's slowest metabolism leads to weight gain and a lot of diseases. So make sure the dinner time, the consumption, the bulk consumption of the food should be in the form of vegetables, salad, and a protein rather than eating a high carbohydrate meal.
A lot of people, are discussing about, they talk about diet plans, they talk about going through a stress times, everything, right? What is your final take as a dietitian, as a nutritionist, a person going through a stress time, let's assume, right? That person is not able to, they want comfort foods, they are not able to distinguish between कि मैंने ये protein इतना खाना है, नींद नहीं उनको आ रही. They're going through stress times. Let's understand that as we speak, that the people abhi bhi, they're not getting 3 times food also, right? So much anguish is there across globally. What is your advice that एक अगर कोई इंसान एक basic एक simple एक इंसान है, cannot follow a very, cannot afford a 3-time diet, right? Basic चीज क्या ले इस टाइम पे, is going through a tough time, नहीं सो पा रहा, उसके पेरेंट्स बाहर रहते हैं, he or she is away from the parents, what do you recommend that person?
You want me to tell a simple one kind of a food which a person should have? कि एक पर्टिकुलर फूड आप मुझे जानना चाहते हैं कि जो सब कंप्लीट फूड हो, जो वो खाए उसको न्यूट्रिशन भी मिल जाए एंड उसकी हेल्थ भी अच्छी हो जाए?
यस.
सिंपल फूड, दाल चावल या दाल रोटी. दाल चावल एक ऐसा फूड है जो एक प्रोटीन भी है, एक कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी है, उसमें एक स्टार्च भी है. सो दाल चावल एक कंप्लीट फूड है. अगर उसको कुछ भी ना मिले और वो एक दाल चावल पे भी सर्वाइव कर सकता है. अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए उसके पास एक सिंपल नींबू पानी उसको मिल जाए. लेमन एक ऐसी चीज है विच इज फुल ऑफ विटामिन सी जो उसकी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट कर देगा, और एक नींबू हर एक इंसान को इजीली अवेलेबल है. अ पर्सन माइट नॉट एबल टू अफोर्ड अ फ्रूट, बट अ नींबू कैन एवरीबॉडी कैन अफोर्ड. सो एक सिंपल नींबू पानी अगर हम पिए, हमारे इससे विटामिन सी बहुत मिलता है. एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है, लोग नींबू पानी को बहुत गर्म पानी में पीते हैं, जबकि नींबू पानी एक रूम टेम्परेचर पानी में पीना चाहिए सो दैट उसका विटामिन सी डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो. क्योंकि 90% लोग को आता है गर्म पानी में नींबू पिएंगे जिससे सारा उसका विटामिन सी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. रादर रूम टेम्परेचर नींबू पानी पीना इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप रखेगा, उसका विटामिन सी डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होगा. तो एक सिंपल कंप्लीट फूड में कहूंगी, प्रोटीन कार्बोहाइड्रेट रिच हो, और साथ में कोई इसके अंदर आप खिचड़ी के अंदर सारी सब्जियां भी डाल देंगे, वो आपको एक कंप्लीट मिल जाता है मील ड्यूरिंग अ लॉकडाउन पीरियड. बहुत लोग मेरे को ये क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, मैम इतने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हमसे इतना सारा कुकिंग नहीं हो पा रहा कि हमारे बच्चों को न्यूट्रिशन भी मिल जाए, हम 4-4 तरह की चीजें भी बना लें. सो आई थिंक सो कंप्लीट खिचड़ी विद ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स इज अ कंप्लीट फूड विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स एंड योर विटामिन्स एंड योर मिनरल्स. एंड एक छोटा विटामिन सी के लिए लेमन इज अ वेरी गुड टिप. एंड राइट, ये चीज आप अगर ट्वाइस अ डे भी खाएंगे तो आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं उसका. आप उसको लंच में भी खा सकते हो, उसको डिनर में भी खा सकते हो, अगर आपके पास कुछ बनाने का टाइम नहीं है तो. बट आई विल प्रेफर कि जो लोग अपना अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं वो कोशिश करके थोड़ा ग्लूटेन फ्री ग्रेन्स पे आजकल फोकस करें इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए, ऑरेंजेस पर फोकस करें, स्पाउटेड लेंटिल्स पर फोकस करें अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए घर में, so that their stomach is also full. And believe me, if you eat a good amount of protein, you will not feel much hungry. And you can have a long gap between the meals also. So eat your complete 3 meals with adequate amount of protein, carbohydrate, and your vitamin minerals. I will advise these days try to have omega rich, magnesium rich diet, which you get it from seeds, जो आजकल easily available market में. They are again a very good immunity booster as they are very rich in magnesium. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and I think so these seeds are all okay for all kind of age group, blood group, and all age factors also.